Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about deduction theorem, which is also called as rule of conditional proof. So before going to our actual concept, those who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers. Okay, let's get into our concept. So what is rule of conditional proof or deduction theorem? Okay, so let's see. If we derive S from R, okay, so what does it mean? That means R tends to S, okay, that means we are deriving S from R. So if we derive S from R and a set of premises, then we can derive R tends to S from set of premises alone. Okay, so if we derive S from R and also from a set of premises, then we can also derive R tends to S from the set of premises alone. Okay, so our main intention is to derive R tends to S from the set of premises. So if you see an example here, using deduction theorem, or in examination they may ask you like this, using deduction theorem or using rule of conditional proof, whatever it is, the same solution we should apply. So using deduction theorem, show that R tends to S can be derived from the premises. So what are the premises we have? So R tends to S can be derived from the premises alone. So that's what our definition is, right? So what are the premises we have? P tends to Q tends to S, negation R or P and Q. Now using these premises, let's derive R tends to S. So here we can also take some assumptions. So for example, if we want P, so we can assume P. Okay, the first is negation R or P. So we take negation R or P. So this is nothing but rule P. Okay, rule P. So next, let me take R. So remember, do we have any R here? Okay, so we have P implies Q implies S, and negation R or P and Q. We don't have capital R. So that's what we can take an assumption. Okay, so here again rule P, in brackets you should write assumption. That means we are assuming capital R. Okay, so here 1, 2, okay, rule T. So what is rule T? Rule T is nothing but we should make use of the previous rules. Okay, at the same time, and I10, using I10. So what is I10? Disjunctive syllogism. So I10 is disjunctive syllogism. So what do we get? So we'll get P. Okay, using 1 and 2, rule T and I10 disjunctive syllogism, we'll get P. Now take P tends to Q tends to S. So P tends to Q tends to S. This is rule P again. Okay, so now take 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 and 4, so this is rule T, 3, 4 and I11. So what is I11? Which we already discussed. If we have P tends to Q, we get Q. Okay, so here we have P, here we have P tends to this, this whole assume as Q tends to S. Then we get Q. So Q is nothing but Q tends to S. So Q tends to S. So rule T, 3, 4 and I11. Okay, so now use Q. So we already have Q, right? So rule P. Okay, so next is rule T, 5, 6 and I11 again. So what is I11? If you have Q tends to S, Q will get S. Okay, and now we have a rule CP. So that is what rule CP. So if we derive S from R, then we can derive R tends to S from the set of premises alone. Okay, here I have R. See, here I have R. This is set of premises. Now I can derive S from R. So we can derive S from R in a set of premises. In my premises I have R. Then using rule CP, I can get R tends to S. So R tends to S. Why? Because from R I can derive S. So that's what. So R tends to S. Why? Because we also have S here. We are deriving S from R. Okay, so simply write rule CP. Okay, so what we need to derive here using deduction theorem, R tends to S can be derived from the premises. So from the premises itself we are deriving R tends to S. So this is nothing but your deduction theorem or rule of conditional proof. So now with this we finish this topic. I hope you understood the concept. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and please share my videos to your friends and well-wishers, and please support my channel in all possible ways. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.